Hi Mind Warriors!
I am Rose.
And I'm Drishti. आप सब जानते हैं कि हम 6 players 14 मैचेस खेल चुके हैं और we are here for the last. मतलब 15th मैच. एंड आज डिसाइड होगा कि कौन वो 4 टॉप प्लेयर्स जाएंगे सेमीफाइनल्स में.
एक बार आगे बढ़ने से पहले लीडर बोर्ड पे हमारी स्टैंडिंग देख लेते हैं.
वेल लीडर बोर्ड के हिसाब से हम दोनों बॉटम 2 में हैं, सो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन दिस मैच फॉर अस.
आई एम वेरी श्योर मैं तो माइंड वॉर्स लीग के सेमीफाइनल्स में जाऊंगी ही. जम के तैयारी जो की है आज के मैच के लिए.
तैयारी तो मैंने भी की है.
और आज का हमारा टॉपिक है नेचुरल वाइल्ड लाइफ एंड वेजिटेशन.
लीडर बोर्ड के हिसाब से मेरा आगे जाना मुश्किल है, but you know what? I can still win the mind wars. मुश्किल है, but नामुमकिन नहीं.
और डॉन तू तो रहने ही दे. You winning mind wars league is saying like camels can swim.
You know right? Camels can swim.
दृष्टि क्या मजाक कर रही है? पढ़ाई नहीं करके आई है क्या? Camels can swim.
लगता है तू नहीं पढ़ाई करके आई है. इसको खराई breed of camels नहीं पता. Let me educate you. Kharai is unique breed of camels that can swim, and they are only found in Kutch, Gujarat. The special ability to swim in sea water and feed on saline plants and mangroves.
चल झूठी.
अरे no. In fact, this is such a rare breed, and they have provided special protection by the government. Hence proved nothing is impossible.
That's an interesting fact. और ये hence proved स्कोर डिस्कस करते हुए देखते हैं. पर मैं तुझे एक और फन फैक्ट बताऊँ. तुझे पता है 33% ऑफ वर्ल्ड स्पीशीज आर एंडेमिक टू इंडिया. मतलब वो सारे प्लांट्स इंडिया को छोड़ के और कहीं नहीं मिलते. जस्ट लाइक द खराई ब्रीड ऑफ कैमल्स.
हाँ मुझे पता है.
श्योर दृष्टि श्योर. अब जब ये एस्टेब्लिश हो ही गया है कि हम दोनों इक्वली अनप्रिपेयर्ड हैं, तो देरी किस बात की आज के क्विज के लिए.
क्विज शुरू करें.
Let the mind wars begin. Let's start the quiz now. Question number 1. What are the hot and dry winds that blow during the day in the summer known as? Lu. Question number 2. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mausim. What is the meaning of mausim? Season. Thank you. Question number 3. Which place in Meghalaya receives the world's highest average rainfall? Mawsynram. Yes! Did you know it is very common for the clouds to move through the buildings in the villages of Mawsynram, and hence vegetation is used on the roofs of building to deaden the sound of the rain. Question number 4. What are the grasses, shrubs and trees which grow on their own and without interference or help from human beings known as? Natural vegetation. Question number 5. There might be no rains in which area of India for a particular year? Jaisalmer. Question number 6. Which of these is not a migratory bird? Sparrow. Did you know that the common house sparrow can swim underwater even though they are not water birds? It is observed that they can actually swim underwater to move from one place to the other. Question number 7. How far does the smallest migratory bird, little stint weighing, travel to reach India? 8,000 kilometers. Question number 8. Which of this is the term for rains in Hindi? Varsha. Thank you. Which type of forest occupies the highest percentage of area in India? Savanna and desert vegetation. Question number 10. Which is India's national bird? Peacock. ये स्कोर तो दृष्टि बीट ही नहीं कर सकती।
Question number 1. Which national park in Gujarat is famous for Asiatic lions? B. Gir. Yes. Question number 2. In which Indian state would you see the one-horned rhinoceros? Mizoram. Question number 3. When is Wildlife Week celebrated in India? First week of October? C. Yes. Did you know? Initially, the Wildlife Day was celebrated in 1955 and which was later upgraded Wildlife Week in 1957. Question number 4. In which regions of the world do we find coniferous forest? A. Subpolar regions. Yes. Did you know most of the trees that inhabit coniferous forests do not have leaves? Instead, they have needles. Question number 5. What are trees that do not shed their leaves altogether called? C. Evergreen. Yay! 6. What are the monsoon forests whose trees shed their leaves in the dry season called to conserve water called? Tropical evergreen. 7. What kind of trees are used to make furniture, transport and construction material? A. Hardwood trees. Yay! 8. Which among the following is an example of a tree found in temperate evergreen forests? D. All of these. Yes. 9. Which of the following is not a quality of temperate deciduous forest? I think so. C. Trees shed their leaves helping in pollination. Yes. 10. What type of vegetation adapts themselves to dry summer with their thick barks and wax-coated leaves? I think so. B. No. A. Polar vegetation. I got 10 out of 10. So, कितने सही जवाब दिए?
I got 9. And you?
Oh no, I lost this match.
What? You lost? Yes! इसका मतलब मैं जीत गई। पर कितने सही जवाब दिए ये तो बता।
7. मम्मी ने कहा था कि सुबह रिवीजन कर लेना। अब लग रहा है मम्मी की बात सुन लेनी चाहिए थी।
चल ना एक बार लीडर बोर्ड पे देखते हैं।
नहीं, मुझे नहीं देखना।
अरे देख लेना।
Oh no.
आज के मैच भले ही मैं जीत गई, लेकिन लीडर बोर्ड के हिसाब से नहीं तू सेमीफाइनल्स में जा रही है ना मैं।
I can't believe this. जसलीन हमसे आगे निकल गया और हमारी सारी मेहनत में पानी फेर दिया। We couldn't make it to top 4.
देखना आज तो मैंने एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस की थी, ये सोचिए कि आई विल मेक माई वे इनटू द टॉप 4 और आज जीत कर भी।
कोई बात नहीं रोज, नेक्स्ट टाइम हम इतनी मेहनत करेंगे कि हम फाइनल्स तक पहुंच जाएं। और हाँ, घर बैठे माइंड वॉरियर्स, अगर आपको अपनी नॉलेज बढ़ानी है तो लॉग इन कीजिए ZEE5 ऐप पर और खेलिए माइंड वॉर्स।
Yes, and if you also want to be a part of this league just like us, write to us on contact@mindwars.co.in.
Want to be first one to know of the video on Mindwars YouTube channel? Hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon.
And remember, knowledge increases when you share it, so don't forget to like, share and tell your friend about this video. Bye!